Hi, it's Anthony from 3Point here, and today we're going to go over the number one, can you just, while you're here. So what I get asked more than anything else, whether we're at a property looking at a job, doing a kitchen repair, window, whatever it is, always, while you're here, can you just stop my smoke alarm cheeping? Now, most smoke alarms are going to cheep once every 30 seconds to 3 minutes when the battery's low. Now, what you're going to need to do, nip down to Asda, Tesco, wherever, and get a 9-volt battery, the square 9-volt batteries. Any good smoke alarm that needs a battery replacement is going to be a square 9-volt battery. Now, very easy to change the battery. The main reason people say, can you just change the battery, is they can't figure out how to get them off the ceiling. I've got a few smoke alarms here that we're going to go through how we get them off the ceilings, things like that. But basically, the number one, you never just pull. That isn't going to be the case. All the time, I just pulled it, and yeah, you take down a chunk of ceiling, break the base, all sorts. It's never a just pull. Now, 99% of smoke alarms that need the batteries replacing are going to be a twist. So you'll have a plate on the ceiling with the alarm on it. So you'll have it something like this on the ceiling. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, if you can't ever remember clockwise, anti-clockwise. But the alarm will be on the ceiling. You just give it a little twist, left, anti-clockwise, lefty loosey, and that will remove from the base. So I'll refit that. It is simple as little twist and the alarm comes down. Now, when you take it off the ceiling, most alarms, it will be obvious where the battery goes. So then you'll pull it down from the ceiling, old battery out, new battery in, and vice versa. Offer it back up to the plate, clockwise, righty-tighty, job done. Now, the only exception to this is mains-powered smoke alarms. So, if you need to replace your alarms because your mains smoke alarm says they're out of date, they're to be changed every 10 years, call a professional. But if your alarm's in date, you just need the battery changing, so easy to do yourself. Like I say, most of them are going to be anti-clockwise twist, down, new battery, push, vice versa. With some of the main smoke alarms, there's two ways of getting these down. They're not going to be just a twist and drop, but it's very, very close to being just a twist and drop. So I've got an ICO one here. So there's a little slot on the side right here, which shows put in a screwdriver. So all we're going to do is very carefully screwdriver in there, which will release the safety clip, and the alarm will slide off the base. So once the clips, you'll put the screwdriver in, release the clip, and then the alarm will just slide off the base. Not very far, maybe a centimetre, and then that will drop. So you'll see the vice versa, putting these up, there's no twisting, very easy to do. All you've got to do is line up the hole in the base with the wiring point on there till it clips in place, and just clip back in. Or the other option with the main smoke alarms, if there's not a point where you put the screwdriver in to release the clip, there'll be a ring round the edge where you need to screwdriver to just push up a small cut out section of plastic which is doing the same job. Or the one I very rarely see, but does exist, with the bigger main smoke alarms, you don't even need to take them down. There's a drawer on the side. It will say on the face where the battery cover is, if that's the case. And you just pull the drawer out, battery out, new battery in. But yeah, simple as that. I mean, if you've got a smoke alarm that has double A's or sort of big watch batteries, I'd recommend changing it anyway. They're not good quality smoke alarms. Any good quality smoke alarm is either going to be, as these new ones are, sealed 10-year lithium ion batteries. You never need to change them, so you're never going to have the peeping. Or you get your cheaping 9-volt battery, and I'd always recommend an ICO or a Fire Angel smoke alarm. But yeah, changing batteries is as easy as that. Hopefully now you're not going to get woke up at 3 AM with that alarm going. Cheers.